Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the browsing history on your Opera web browser. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Opera if it's not already open, so go ahead and search for that. Best match should come back with the Opera browser, so go ahead and open that up. Select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window. Go ahead and left click on it. And you want to scroll down where it says go to full browser settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go down where it says privacy and security, clear browsing data. Go ahead and left click on that. And then for the time range, set the time range you want to delete. And then make sure browsing history is checkmarked. Select clear data. And then restart the browser once that's finished. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.